Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you an essential oil person and you like to have them all with you at the same time? If you do, then you want to stay nice and organized with this awesome container. This is a holder for your essential oils from Great Products Group 2. This really sturdy plastic compact box is going to organize 35 essential oils. I really love that I can look into the box, and because of the labels they included, I can find the oils anytime I need them. I also really like that I can put them away in a cabinet. So if you work with essential oils, you know that having them in a dark place is always better. And this is awesome. Whenever I need to get my oils out and I want to make a diffuser blend, or if I just need to use them, then all of the oils are in one spot. Now the box itself closes and it's nice and sturdy. So if you take your oils with you, whether you're some kind of holistic practitioner or you do some therapy, you'll have the oils with you all the time. The box itself did come with some holders, and I find with the size bottles that I have, I really didn't need them. So I just keep them to the side, and should I need them later with a different type of bottle, I know I'll be all set. I can't tell you how many times I've bought oils and realized after that I already had some. Well, when I need to know, I just look in my box, I see where I'm at with my oils, and then I'm good to go to order more. I really love having them all together, and it's super easy to be able to make my diffuser blends or use my oils whenever I need to, thanks to this awesome box. And that's my point of view.